Next is overloading relational operators. Relational operators, you know about them. These are comparison operators: less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, not equal to. So these are the operators. We have studied about them already. Now here we'll understand how to overload them. And the results are always in either true or false. That means Boolean result. So how to do that? It's very simple. Here we are going to check distance values. So which distance is larger? So for that, we have created a class distance. And in the constructor method, we have initialized the values of A and B. And for greater than symbol, we use GT inbuilt function given by Python overloading. GT for greater than overloading, self obj, where self represents the calling object and obj represents the object as argument. Okay. And in this function, what we have done, I am telling you later on, but before that, let's study this. D1 is equal to distance 14, 20. That means for D1, the value of A and B are set as 14 and 20. And for D2, the value of A and B are set as 18 and 15. And then print D1 greater than D2. That means we are going to check which distance is larger. Means the result will be given in either true or false. If D1 will be larger, then true will be returned. Otherwise, false will be returned. So for that, because we have two values, they cannot be compared directly. We are computing the magnitude for them. So self dot mag is magnitude, self dot A raised to power 2 plus self dot B raised to power 2. That means initially magnitude of this distance is computed, then magnitude of this distance is computed. Self means D1 object. Self means D1 object and obj means D2 object. Basically, this is the formula A square plus B square. This formula is used. That means magnitude. A square plus B square. That means 14 square plus 20 square. Similarly, for D2, it is 18 square plus 15 square. Magnitude is computed and the value of the larger magnitude will be compared. Self dot mag, this is compared with the result of obj dot mag. So if the result of this is larger, then the result will be returned as true. So the result of this is larger, it will return true value over here, and the print method will print true. Okay, so by this way, we can compare value of two objects and then display the appropriate result. This is how we can overload relational greater than operator. In the similar way, other relational operators can be overloaded, which are given by these functions: less than LT, less than equal to LE, equal to EQ, not equal to NE, greater than GT, greater than or equal to GE. And C1, C2 are objects. So by using these respective functions, you can overload these operators. Okay. So this is all about operator overloading in Python.